You've probably had an app idea sitting in your head for a while now, maybe for months or even years. But every time you thought about actually building it, the same thoughts came to your mind. You told yourself, I'd have to learn how to code. Or maybe, I'd need to hire developers. Or even worse, it would cost thousands of dollars and take forever. And honestly, that used to be true. But today, things are different. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a real mobile app that actually runs on a phone without writing a single line of code. Not a mock-up, not a prototype, but a real working application. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how you can do the same thing using AI. Before we get started, let me be clear about something. AI tools are powerful, but they are not here to completely replace professional developers. If you are building complex platforms or enterprise-level systems, you will still need experienced engineers. But if you have a simple idea for a tool, a small productivity app, or something that solves a specific problem, and you just want to create the first version quickly, then yes, you can absolutely do that today without knowing how to code. Personally, I have never written mobile app code in my life, and honestly, I don't plan to start now. Because today we only need two tools, ChatGPT and an AI app builder called Anything. That's it, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. The first step is going to ChatGPT. This is where we describe the idea for the app we want to build. Instead of typing something vague like build an app, you want to clearly explain your idea. For example, I asked ChatGPT this. I want to create a YouTube thumbnail downloader app. Please give me the output in JSON format. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT starts generating the structure of the application. The important thing here is asking for the output in JSON format, because that format organizes the app structure in a way that AI app builders can easily understand. Once ChatGPT finishes generating the JSON structure, you will see the layout of the app, the logic behind it, and all the components needed to build it. This is one of the most powerful things about AI today. Even if you have never written code before, you can still create applications that look professional. After ChatGPT finishes generating everything, simply copy all the code that it created. Then go to the Anything AI App Builder website. If you're not sure where to find it, you can check the link in the description of this video. When the builder opens, paste the code into the input box and click the Generate button. As soon as you do that, the platform begins building the application automatically. After that, the system will ask you one simple question. Which platform would you like me to build this for? You will see three options: web app, mobile app for iOS and Android, or both web and mobile. Since we want to create a mobile application, we choose Mobile App and click Submit. Immediately, the AI starts generating the app. Normally, building something like this would take developers days or even weeks, but with AI, it only takes a few minutes. Just wait a moment while the app finishes building. And now, the app is ready. The app we built is a YouTube thumbnail downloader. All I need to do is paste a YouTube video link into the input field, and the app automatically detects the thumbnail from that video. From there, I can choose the resolution I want and download the image. Sometimes you might see a small error when clicking the download button. If that happens, there is no need to worry. One of the biggest advantages of AI builders is that you can simply ask the AI to fix the problem. Before fixing anything, let's preview how the app looks on different devices. For example, here we can see the tablet version of the app, and notice how the layout automatically adjusts to fit the screen. If something needs to be changed or improved, you simply go back to the AI chat and tell it what you want to modify. Maybe you want to fix the download function or adjust the design. Once you send the request, the AI automatically updates the application. Now, if we test the app again, you can see that the download feature works perfectly. Another useful feature is the ability to view the code. If you click on the code section, you will see all the files and the structure used to build the application. If you want to keep the project, you can also download the entire project as a zip file by clicking Download Project. Next, we can test the app on a real phone. Inside the platform, there's a section called Test on your phone. Here you will see a QR code. Simply scan that QR code using your smartphone. Once you scan it, the app opens instantly on your phone, and you can start using it right away. As you can see here, I paste a YouTube video link, the thumbnail appears immediately, and I can download it with a single click. Now let's move to the final step, which is publishing the app. To publish the project, click the Publish button. Then select the option called Web and Backend. After that, you can choose the domain name or title you want for your project. In my case, the platform published the project in less than 1 minute. It's incredibly fast and simple. If you want to publish the app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, you simply go to the mobile app section. From there, select the option that says Also Publish Web and Backend, and then click Submit to App Store. Keep in mind that publishing apps on official app stores usually requires developer accounts and small fees. But the good news is that the AI builder prepares everything for you. For now, we have successfully created and published the web version of our app, and anyone with the link can access and use it. If you would like to see part 2 of this tutorial, where I show you exactly how to publish your app step by step on the App Store or Google Play Store, let me know in the comments and I will prepare that video for you. And if you are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Fred, and this is AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials, where we explore powerful AI tools and learn how to build amazing things faster than ever. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.